My mother, she told me there was a storm coming, but I don't know, I don't believe her. I thought, oh, silly mama, pero it's very dark and it's stormy. I'm kind of scared. The rain is too much. It's too much. Too much rain is good for the plants and is good for the animals. Pero for Juan es un poco scary. I don't know how I go to work tomorrow. And if I no work, I no have the money. So right now my stomach it hurts. When I worry, it's a stomach ache for me. I hope the rain is not too much. Like my mama said, because if it keeps raining, there might be a flood.